Your reports should have illustrations from InterNACHI's gallery. I can show you how to pre-insert illustrations into your report before you even start the report. So you pick a comment and then you add the illustration. Let's just pick a chimney comment. And then you add an illustration and then you go to InterNACHI's gallery, right? And I'm gonna have to bring this down so you can see. So where are we? Chimneys. So let's just do a search for chimney in InterNACHI's gallery, and I'll show you how to do this, right? So let's say I want this image here. You right click. So if you're doing these kind of things like logistics and changing templates and stuff like that, don't do it on your mobile device. It works on a mobile device, but I just can't do it with my fat fingers. So right click. I don't know how you right click on a mobile device, but you're gonna have to right click and then copy the image address. Now you go back into the report builder and you paste that address and you add it. Now this illustration is in this comment, right? And it'll be in the report, the online report or the PDF. Now, how does it stay there? Well, you go up here, it's very easy, and save it as a new template. This one is already in this report. You can save it, but your comments could be edited and all that stuff. So what you want to do is you want to start a new empty report and customize it like crazy. You can throw in checkboxes. Did you know you can throw in checkboxes and illustrations? You can pre-select comments. You can add pictures. You can add videos. And when you bring up a new inspection, all of that stuff that you pre-selected and pre-inserted is already there, including InterNACHI illustrations. And InterNACHI's gallery is available for any InterNACHI inspector. Just right click, copy that image, stick it in the report, and it'll be there for you. So you asked for it and you got it. I love this software.